Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to leave a workspace in Slack. So what you want to do is click on your profile, which can be seen on the lower left of your screen. Then click on profile right here and click on the three dots. Then click on account settings, a page will pop up. Then just scroll down to the very bottom so you see the deactivate account. So you can, if you don't already have your account on the workspace, you can deactivate your account, and any other Slack workspaces you belong to will not be affected. So basically, this will only affect the current workspace, which is this one. So deactivate your account, this will pop up, then click on yes, click on this one, then click on deactivate my account again. And boom, your account has been deactivated. Thank you for using Slack. And you can close the page, go back to Slack, and go log in again. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because help reach more people. See you in the next one.